Always something great to check out when Lucy Greer is here in our kitchen. Good morning, ladies.
Hey, Joe. Hey, Lucy.
Hey, girl.
I have to tell you, I went into the Bay Minette Greer's. I wanted to commend you on, you have a section in most Greer's of local stuff.
Yeah.
We were looking for some local honey. Robbie and I love honey with a lot of things and a lot of our recipes. But we went in there to get some honey. We got some local honey, but also I saw these Mobile Bay candles.
Yeah.
I love those too.
They smell so good. Yeah, I love that that end cap right there in the front of the store. A lot of our stores, you know, it's kind of all gathered together. So good. I'm glad. I know. I love kind of peeking around at stuff that we have because there's always something new.
Yeah.
So we love trying to, you know, help out local businesses, and sometimes it's kind of hard for you know, for new businesses to get their products in a really, you know, big retailer. But the joy about our company is that you know, we're right here, we're local, and we want to help everybody in the community. So good. I'm so glad. That's awesome.
Big thank you, and I know my husband sends a big thank you as well because we were out of honey, and so we really needed some. So you can check those out. Like I said, most stores carry that little end cap, or look for the local products there and support our local people.
Yeah.
We're making a sausage and 5-bean chili this morning.
Yes.
The Conecuh. Just what I needed, a little pick-me-up in the kitchen this morning.
It smells so good. Chili's always kind of comforting to me.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, but so it's kind of, you know, just kind of a good old home-style dish, and I like to put Conecuh in mine. And this recipe is really good, and it's kind of unique. And one of my favorite things when I'm out in our stores is to meet customers, and that's the best part of my job. And one lady, I just remember, you know, said that she made this and it's now one of her family's favorites, and that makes me feel so good. So if you ever try one of my recipes and you like it, let me know, because it makes me feel good.
Yeah, hey, we get that all the time. A lot of people that I talk to, we share it on Instagram a lot of times, what we do in the kitchen, pictures of what we do. And every time I'm out, people are like, hey, I watch Lucy every Wednesday. I miss what she made on Wednesday. Can you tell me what she made? A lot of people keep up with it and print it and take it home and make it a part of their recipe book.
Yeah, that's what the best part about this segment is. You know, I just like to bring simple recipes that people can do and take home to their families. So that's awesome. So I'm just adding, had 1 pound of Conecuh in there that I just cut up, and then I just added 1 pound of, I use ground round, which is pretty lean. You could use ground beef, ground sirloin. A lot of people have deer meat in the freezer this time of year. So whatever, you know, ground turkey, I mean, whatever you have on hand. Our ground beef is so awesome. All of our stores still grind all of our beef in-house, so it doesn't come prepackaged. It's not packed with any kind of injections or fillers or something to preserve the color of it. It's fresh, done in the store, so it's really, really good quality. So we're just going to let this cook down with the Conecuh, and you know, there'll be a little bit of fat left over in there, so if it's too much, then you could drain it off, and then we'll keep moving.
You know, talk about good presentation. Look over here to the side. Again, you can see all I love the colors, especially when you get vegetables ready for some of your recipes. And we even have another bowl full of beans over there.
I know. So we got everything's kind of prepped out, and this is going to give a lot of good flavor. Our fresh veggies, and you can do whatever combo beans you like. So we'll talk about which ones I chose later, I guess.
Yeah. So what else has been up at the stores besides selling nothing but goodness?
I know. We, you know, coming off of Mardi Gras was a lot of fun for us. We, you know, enjoyed selling the king cakes, and a lot of people that ride, you know, came in and bought throws from us. Little Debbie's were hot item in the parade this year.
Oatmeal cream pies.
Oh my gosh,
I've got like 10 boxes of those.
Yes.
No complaints.
So we love, you know, being here for everything local that goes on in the community, but still hot and heavy into our online shopping. It's funny. I mean, you know, I feel like I talk about some of the same things every week, but when I'm out there in the community, you know, people just still don't know about it. So Greers.com/shop shows all of the locations where we're doing our online shopping. So you just order online, come to the store, we'll bring it out to your car. It's so easy. It's amazing. So always trying to move forward with the times.
Yep, doing that and moving forward with this recipe nicely. Again, we got a lot of stuff to add. We'll be doing that coming up with Joe next, and then we finish it up coming up in the third already. That Conecuh.
Joe,
Joe,
it smells
it's
so
what
good.
we needed.